Did you know that avocados are a powerhouse of nutrients? They're loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making them a fantastic addition to your morning routine. Try this simple recipe for baked avocado eggs. Just take one ripe avocado, cut it in half, and remove a bit more flesh to create space for an egg. Crack an egg into each half, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and pop them into the oven at 425 degrees, 220 degrees, for about 15 to 20 minutes. Imagine a breakfast that keeps you full for hours while fueling your body with healthy fats and protein. These baked avocado eggs are not just tasty, but also provide a boost of fiber and essential nutrients that support your overall health. Enjoy the creamy texture of the avocado paired with the richness of the egg and feel energized throughout your morning. Would you try this? It's a fun and easy way to incorporate more healthy fats into your diet. If you have a favorite topping, like cheese, herbs, or even a dash of hot sauce, feel free to experiment. What's your favorite healthy food hack? Share your thoughts and let's inspire each other to eat better and enjoy delicious meals that nourish our bodies.